Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you guys on how to install and create a yooi account. This is a new live streaming app that pays the users. First, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and install the app. On your Play Store or your Apple Store, you search yooi and install this app. Once you're done, you click on the open button. Here you are going to be seeing something like this on your screen. This is connect with Google. You are going to be using your Gmail to create an account, or you're going to be using your phone number, this one, or you're going to be using your Facebook account, or if you already have an account already, you can log in with this one. But since you don't have an account, we are going to be using an Gmail. So I'm going to be selecting a Gmail. I'm going to do this, agree and share. So here you are going to be selecting your gender. If you're a boy or a girl, you're going to be selecting and typing in the name you want and your origin. Going to be putting your country. Then click on next. Origin selection can't be modified. Once confirm, okay. So here I already have an account on yooi. See, this is how simple to create an account and install the yooi app on your device. If you found this helpful, because you have come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one. Bye.